Well, maybe we don't know what we truly want because on some level, we already possess the essence of it. And we don't know ourselves because the ultimate reality, the Godhead, as Watts might say, can't be an object of its own knowing. It just is. Let's take a moment now to really feel this.
Integrate these ideas.
We want to guide you through a short visualization just to help these concepts land in your own being. So find a comfortable spot.
And if it feels safe for you, go ahead and close your eyes.
We'll just let these concepts wash over us now. Settle into the rhythm of the words.
Take a deep, unhurried breath. In through your nose and out through your mouth.
Again.
Inhale peace.
Exhale needing to know.
Now just imagine yourself standing outside a kind of speakeasy jazz lounge. It's glowing, maybe gold and lavender light, pulsing softly in the night like a heartbeat from somewhere else.
There's a sign above the velvet rope. It simply reads, "Welcome to the Cosmic Lounge." No ego, no cover.
The bouncer, maybe a shimmering orb of wisdom, just nods. Lets you in. No ID needed. You've always been eternal after all.
You step inside.
Plush velvet seats curve like galaxies around you. A saxophone somewhere is dripping notes sweet like honey into the candlelit air.
People are laughing softly, sipping Stardust cocktails maybe, swapping stories from lives they barely recall.
And right in the center of the lounge, there's a mirror. But it's different. It shimmers with something deeper.
You walk towards it slowly. You sit down in front of it.
Look into it now.
At first, you just see your reflection. Familiar, earthly, maybe a little tired, maybe a little hopeful.
But then it starts to shift.
The edges of your form ripple like sunlight on water. Your features soften. Your name just kind of dissolves.
You become light. You become a field of awareness. You become the music, the rhythm, that vibration that's always been humming underneath everything.
Let go of who you think you are.
Let go of what you think you want.
You are not the thoughts. You are the thinker.
You are not the waves. You are the ocean.
And from this beautiful, timeless place you remember.
There's nowhere to go.
Nothing to fix.
Nothing to force.
Desire doesn't vanish. It just changes shape. It becomes more like a dance, less like a demand.
A love note instead of a to-do list.
So ask yourself now, just gently,
What if I didn't need to grasp this moment?
what if this is the manifestation already?
What if floating is creating?
Just sit with those questions. Feel the warm golden glow of the Cosmic Lounge. Maybe sip a little stardust. Lean back into that seat of awareness.
And when you feel ready, the mirror softly closes. The saxophone fades into the background. The door to the lounge swings open again.
You step back into your life,
Yeah.
but maybe something shifted. You carry that vibe with you now.
A gentle detachment.
A joyful alignment.
A kind of groovy knowing.
Take one last breath in.
And exhale feeling light, open, and maybe just a little more cosmic.